Go ahead, baby.
Well, we're filming, and unexpectedly decided that this is life, and it's reality. So we didn't stop the camera for a moment. We just filmed because it is our life, and I feel like, I think we decided to just let the cameras roll because I think there's so many people like my husband that need that.
Like Mama's hair?
The show was awesome.
A Mama's hair?
And we do it as a family.
So many people are going to relate to that feeling. Their dad coming back, or their mother, or their sister coming back into their life and they never knew them very well. And I can tell you, you're hiding behind your glasses. And you say, go ahead, baby, because you don't know what it's just tough.
You never had a father. It's like, I thank God for people like my twin. That God saved my life. Because if I didn't have my twin, I would have been myself to live for them. And I know this. I thank God for finding a box. Because as a 10-year-old kid, I was locked up in juvenile hall. Running away from home, sleeping in an alley. And my life would only gone like my biological father.
¿Qué pasó?
And that's...
And what did you buy? What happened with your biological father?
What happened?
For,
What happened?
For 30 years.
What happened? What happened? Huh? Say hi. Say hi.
I'm not...
Hello.
People's past are like mine.
Paul.
That's right, they are. They are.
Paul.
And I want to give people inspiration and hope that, with here around 19 years, 20 this year, and I'm more in love with this woman than ever. My fourth baby,
We should go off just to the tip of the iceberg, and we have to wrap already. So Moon Rose, by the way, welcome to Los Vargas, like Las Vegas.
That's right.
Paul.
Sunday night, 9 o'clock on
Paul.
Moon Rose. If you have the Spanish package on your cable, that's when you find the yes. It is so fantastic to see you. Come back another day. We'll do a whole half hour on my Spanish show. Don't forget, watch it on your Very good. Thanks. All right, we'll be right back.
Studio 11 LA is sponsored by Honda. Start something special with a great deal on Honda. Now it's your Honda dealer.
This is all new Honda Civic. The same car that will take him and a very pretty girl
Paul.
on the best first date ever. With a camera that will set the mood on their one-year anniversary. And a Bluetooth that will remind him she's a keeper and don't mess this up. And the rough comments that hold everything he needs.
What happened? What?
Start something
Huh?
special now with the
What?
from KBB.com.
A Mama's hair? Crazy Mama's hair? Yeah? ¿Qué pasó? What? What? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué? ¿Qué? ¿Qué fue? ¿Qué fue? What? Huh? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Say bye-bye. Paul. Say bye-bye.